Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Walmart Seller Center. Manage marketplace products step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or laptop for the best experience. In the address bar, type seller, Walmart.com and press enter. Wait for the Walmart Seller Center login page to fully load. Click inside the email field and enter the email linked to your seller account. Click inside the password field and type your password carefully. If you are on a trusted device, you can select the Remember Me option to save your session. Click the Sign In button to access your Seller Center dashboard. If Walmart asks for verification, complete the two-step authentication code from your email or phone. After logging in, look at the left navigation menu to find the main tools. Click Items and Inventory to open product and stock management options. Select Manage Items to view your active listings and product details. Use the search bar to find a product by item name, SKU, or GTIN. Click on the product row to open the item page and review listing information. To edit content, choose Edit and update the title, description, images, or attributes as needed. Check that your product category and key attributes are accurate to avoid listing errors. Click Save to store changes. Then confirm there are no validation warnings. Go back to the items list and select multiple products if you want a bulk update. Choose the bulk actions or update via spec sheet option for faster mass changes. To manage inventory, open the inventory section and review available quantity by SKU. Update stock quantities to prevent overselling and keep your listings active. Click Pricing to adjust your item price, minimum price, or promotional pricing rules. Review the buy box and competitiveness indicators to understand how pricing affects performance. Open orders to monitor incoming orders and check fulfillment status. If you use Walmart fulfillment services, confirm shipping and delivery settings are correct. Go to Performance to track sales, page views, and conversion metrics for your products. Open Reports to download item, inventory, and sales reports for deeper analysis. Click Settings to manage account details, users, permissions, and notification preferences. When finished, click your profile icon and select Sign Out to secure your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.